How to enable live transcription in Zoom meetings. Hey guys, in this guide we're going over how you can enable the live transcription option on your Zoom meetings. Let's get started. First thing first you need to do is open up Zoom on your mobile phone or your PC. I'll be showing you guys on my mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, let me just quickly host a meeting. Go to Meet, tap on Start a Meeting. Now go ahead and tap on Start at the top right on the bottom. Once you start your meeting to the descriptions, let me just quickly show you guys. You can find the caption option. If you don't see the bottom navigation bar, just tap on the screen once. It will pop up. Go to Show Caption. And once you turn it on, you can change your caption settings as well. For that, swipe all the way to the right and find more. From this, tap on Caption Settings, go to Caption Language. You can select from any one of these languages. Go to Host Caption Control Settings. Make sure the Allow Closed Captioning as well. Once you allow this, you should be good to go. So once that is done, tap on Save, and then you can change the language from there. Make sure the caption is turned on. Now, whenever someone speaks, your live transcription or caption should be shown. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.